Contrary to popular belief, the original London Bridge now resides here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. You're going to learn more about the history behind this unexpected relocation and explore the beauty of this landmark.
After almost 140 years of this sort of pounding, the nursery rhyme's famous link between two banks of the Thames isn't falling down, it's carefully being taken to pieces. And somewhere, sometime soon, it'll all be put back together again. London's outgrown the 53 feet wide span. It'll be replaced in 4 years by a bridge twice the width that'll cost £4.5 million. The London Bridge is up for sale, hence the careful treatment.
A batch of stonework will be demolished. Reasons taken by lowered into barges in the Thames, taken down to Surrey Docks about 4 miles downstream, and they were offloaded.
There's been a bridge here since Roman times, and of course there'll be another. Meanwhile, this one is earning dollars by being rebuilt in an American desert, where they're digging a special river to go under it. Oh well, the customer's always right.
The challenges faced by London Bridge in London were no small feat. With increasing traffic demands and the need for a more modern infrastructure, the decision was made to sell the bridge. Imagine selling a bridge. The logistics and planning involved in such a monumental task were immense. But why sell it when you can move it? The story unfolds as London Bridge was meticulously dismantled, stone by stone, transported over 5,000 miles, and reconstructed in Lake Havasu City here in Arizona. It's a tale of engineering marvel and sheer determination. The journey of the bridge across the Atlantic Ocean to its new home in the Arizona desert is nothing short of extraordinary. The blocks were shipped overseas through the Panama Canal to California and trucked from Long Beach to Arizona. The inside of the bridge is hollow because it was rebuilt with a steel framework faced with granite. This reduced its weight from 130,000 tons to 30,000 tons, while strengthening the structure in order to accommodate auto traffic. After 3 years of reconstruction, Lake Havasu City dedicated the bridge in an extravagant ceremony held in October 1971. The lampposts are original and were made from melted cannons captured by the British from the Napoleon's army after the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. Fast forward and we are here at the English Village, which is an open-air mall to the north of the London Bridge. So stay with me so we can check out how the modern London Bridge looks like and some of the activities that our tourists are engaged in. Today, the historic and some say haunted bridge is the most visited built attraction in Arizona, attracting visitors from around the world. Its many fans include photographers, filmmakers, travel writers, history buffs, boaters, kayakers, paddleboarders, and music lovers at live concerts under its acoustical arches. Lake Havasu City is currently home to over 57,000 residents and a major driving force for tourism and industry in the region. Paddle boats?
Paddle boats.
These are the ones?
But I was thinking the pedal. The
Yeah,
ones
this-
where you pedal.
This
That's-
is,
they don't
this is
have
small.
those.
And then if you have this, you have to have like, how do you call it?
I don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's small.
Yeah.
You know what?
I wanna do
When we
the
go
one where you
when
have
we,
the foot
when we go back to
pedals.
him, we can ask him if they have a
That's
different
this.
one.
That it would be here.
No?
It would be here. No, I want to do the one with the foot pedals, where we're doing
Oh,
like
like
bicycle,
doing that. Okay. Yeah.
like they have in Tippy. I think that would be fun.
Yeah. Let's go way up there. You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Ice cream. There's banana splits, frozen banana and root beer floats here.
Wow.
All right. This water is kind of green.
Huh.
Look at the green water. No, it's not that deep. I can see the stones there.
Yeah. Right down there, right?
Yeah. Bang, we're here in Lake Havasu City, and this is just a party city. Check out, there's no water here. It's actually dropped all the way. Yeah.
Wow. A lot of boats. It's a boat party.
And that boat is for sale. Like I'm playing on it, but it's for sale. How much can you give me on it? You check it.
Great way to advertise it.
Yeah, right. That boat has speakers everywhere. Oh, did you see that? That boat has grill up there. See the grill? You can barbecue as under the water. Yeah. That's the red boat that you like.
Yeah.
Huh?
It was fast and
What?
loud.
What?
It was fast and loud.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I like that one. That's party. Like, see the dance? The big party bus, huh?
And you can rent that boat for $1,000 for the whole day.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's what they're doing.
Yep. And don't forget the police is out here too.
Yeah. I mean, the boats are too close, man. I'm like, how do you have fun on this? Just sitting close together?
Way too close.
So, what is the cop doing actually? Can you
We're out there
smell?
drinking.
Oh, they're doing. Oh, okay.
They're doing drugs.
Can you smell the gas?
You can't even hear your own music over the
Asian girls there.
They have a great old fucking time.
No, it's oh, look at that. Opposite is a bigger one. This is cool. Actually, we need to do this. Come and rent a
All
boat.
they're doing is dancing and putting on a show for everybody.
Oh, for everybody, yeah.
That's what everybody's doing.
Yeah.
Strange around here lately because all the stuff going on outside the house, you know, the pressure to keep the house, the pressure to keep the house,
Then,
the pressure.
oh, you see drone? Somebody's a drone up there. The drone up there. You know you can fly drones up there. I just got my drone. You don't see the drone up there? Oh, there'll be drama here.
Or wherever they're going to be.
Yeah. You know what I realized? It's noisier there than here.
Huh?
There's more party there than here.
Oh,
So
that's the strip.
Oh, that's the strip. Okay.
So all of them have their party out there on the boat. That's why the
Yeah.
police out there.
Yeah.
But that's the strip where you're going to be seen. That's where you're seen.
Yeah. So guys, we're here in Lake Havasu City, and this is a party city for the boats. Look at how these things look here, guys. I like that style. Look how they make their, look at how they did their party boats. They joined them all together.
Right?
And it's like 4 of them.
It's one big party.
Yep. Wow. This is pretty awesome. It's Lake Havasu, guys, here in Arizona. So we have all people with boats coming here to have fun. And also they have sheriffs. If you look down there, there's a sheriff that just pulled people. The police. Wow. It smells like gas.
Yeah.
That. Yeah, we need to think about having more fun. We are still young. I'm like...